My name's Sarthak. I'm a second year Master of Engineering Management student. And for my internship, I was at Zipline. They're a drone delivery company based out of California. They're working on delivering food, medical supplies, goods from Walmart, etc. within 30 minutes using drones. I worked as a business operations intern on the launch and scale team at Zipline. So just a bit of more context about Zipline. They work through charging infrastructure sites localized across regions which can sort of service a mile radius of about 10 miles. And so the team's job was basically to launch these sites and then scale them. So launching involves coordinating multiple teams to set up the actual infrastructure, getting the permits, making sure that we have enough users to do a first order, for example, so on and so forth. And then scaling involves scaling our user base such that our orders can match with that, because there are only a certain amount of deliveries that, let's say, 5 drones can do. If you want to do more deliveries, you need to make sure that you have more drones on site. So a lot of the scaling was focused on figuring out that balance between users and orders, and then how many sort of drones we need on site. On a daily basis, my tasks involved mainly building these tools, diving into the data, but a lot of it also involved speaking to different teams to get a deeper appreciation of the business as a whole. There were definitely some courses which stood out and were really relevant to my internship. I think data analytics and data analytics project lab, both courses helped me structure my thoughts towards how I was going to do the data analysis, making sure that I'm doing it the right way and I'm not making invalid assumptions. Apart from that, I think the internship also gave me a chance to step back and learn how to think about a business. Even as an intern, I had the chance to share my thoughts, share what I was thinking, how I was thinking about the business, how we might operate the business. So I think that also sort of gave me a good insight into how I can prepare better for when I go into business. How can I analyze an existing business and how can I apply that to my own team or my own division that I'm working in.